Hey guys, today I just got in from Amazon the Hohem iSteady Pro 2 splash-proof 3-axis handheld gimbal stabilizer for my GoPro Hero 7. Now this gimbal also works with DJI Osmo Action and all the other GoPros, as well as the SJ Cam Yi and the Sony RXO sports cameras. So let's get this out of the box and check it out. Okay, now that we have this box open, let's see what's inside. Inside, I have a little package that's completely wrapped up. So let's see what's inside this package. And I'm going to be careful here because I actually don't know what's in here. Aha, and here it is. This is the iSteady Pro 2 3-axis handheld stabilizer gimbal for action cameras. Inside the box we also get an extender, so I guess this can be used as a selfie stick extender. And I noticed on the back is attached a lens cleaning cloth as well. Very cool. We'll take that off. And we can see on the back of the box a GoPro attached, and that it swivels around 600 degrees. Let's get this out of the box and see what's inside. Okay, so when I open the box, I can see it comes in a nice carry case. Inside this carry case, we have a user's manual, a little tripod mount, and a couple of USB cables, and of course the actual gimbal itself. Very cool. Okay, I'm going to go get my GoPro attached and we'll give this a test. Okay, well, I've gone ahead and attached my GoPro to the iSteady Pro 2, and on the back we have a little thumb joystick which, when you move it around, controls the movement of the GoPro up and down, left to right and such. And there's a few different modes, and when you hook up the cables you can actually start and stop recording with the touch of a button. On the bottom I have gone and attached the little tripod feet, which allows you to just put it down when you need to put it down. Also, there is a little trigger button here which allows you to lock the movement and keep a steady shot when you need one. Very cool. So here I am using the Hohem 3-axis gimbal. I'm just going for a walk. I have stabilization on the GoPro off. So this is all being stabilized by the Hohem gimbal. How does it look? I'm going to start running now. Very cool. When you use the attached extension pole, this is what it looks like. So here I am going to run a little bit with the... This thing is awesome. So once again, this is the Hohem iSteady Pro 2. Make sure you check this thing out. Thanks, guys.